men's Illinois Springfield, size 16. It is a stem wind and a lever set. The dial is in great condition. Does have a little bit right there, a little spot, like a little thing, but otherwise I would say it's in great condition. It is a porcelain dial. I believe it's black and red enamel paint. It is a double sunk dial with the plastic crystal. The back has no engravings in the back. It's nice and polished back. It has a two-tone finger bridge going barrel, gold gear train. It's a grade 706 model 9, 19 jewel. Adjusted 3 positions. The movement has been serviced and timed, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. Please take a look at our other listings on eBay.